I know time management is the major problem for many of you, and I was no different than that. So, in this session, I'll explain how a reading can be finished in only 45 minutes. You heard it right, guys. 45 minutes. कैसे करेंगे? I'll explain today in the session. For those who do not know me, I'm Sonam Sandhu and I'm a certified IELTS trainer. And guys, I'm here to help you. So let us discuss how I used to do reading, and that too in 70 to 80 minutes, because I was unable to finish my reading in 60 minutes timeline. And what mistakes was I committing? I'm going to explain you those. So first of all, I used to skim read the passage, and while skim reading the passage I was spending somewhere around 4 to 5 minutes. So पहले skim read करा and later on I used to forget so many things. After skim reading, I was looking at the questions and then again reading. So what exactly was happening? Repetition was occurring. I was reading the whole text twice, minimum twice. And after reading it, I was rechecking it, and while rechecking I was translating it. So moreover, क्या हुआ यहाँ पे? I read it, skim read it. After skim reading, I was reading the question and again checking the text. Later on, I was translating the text. So in translation, in reading again and in skim reading, I was wasting a lot of my time. That's the only reason I was finishing a single passage in 25 minutes. And then also I was not sure. So point is, we should not do translation and we should not do it like such. What happened when I was doing it like such? I was doing the 40 questions in 80 minutes, and that is a wrong thing. So you have to take care of time management in IELTS, otherwise you will not be able to get your desired band score. So जो गलतियाँ मैंने करी, I don't want you guys to repeat those mistakes. So let's get rid of the same problems and let's rectify this issue by planning a good strategy. So guys, you must be thinking why Sonam Sandhu is contradicting her own statement. In few of my videos, I have already mentioned read, translate and underline. But now I am saying don't do this. So guys, try to understand. If you are really good in English and if you do not have any problem in the comprehension part, as in if you are able to understand everything written in English, this video is for you. Continue watching. But if you are a student, you are unable to understand many things in the reading passage, I'll suggest you to go through my previous video and the link is above. उस video में I have explained how can you follow the read, translate and underline strategy, because guys, these strategies are going to be different from one student to another. हर एक student के लिए same strategy doesn't work, and this is something an educator should know, and I believe I know it. So we were talking about rectification of this issue. How can we solve a reading in 60 minutes? But I was not talking about 60 minutes because I need 15 minutes for proof checking, and it is very important, guys. If you're looking forward to a higher band score, proof checking is undoubtedly important. So 45 minutes में reading करने के लिए you should never skim read the passage. You should not read everything. What I do, I read only first two questions and underline the keywords, which are noun, verb or some number. So only first two questions, underline the keywords and start finding the answers one by one. The keywords I have underlined, I am going to find those keywords only in the passage. And after finding the keywords, I am going to match the information. So guys, अब keywords we have already found. So I am going to read minimum 3 lines, and those 3 lines I am going to read thoroughly, and I'll match the same with the question to get the exact answer. So now here I do not need time for rechecking, because I'll already be left with 15 minutes at the end, and in those 15 minutes I am going to proof check my answers. I'm going to explain it one more time, not exactly this. अब यहाँ पे you already have understood कि you are going to read it and you will be matching the information and you have to do this. But here you also have to take care of the question types. So when you are attempting a particular passage one by one, I'll suggest you to do a particular question type firstly and a question type at the end. For example, you must have heard about my H&M method. If you have not heard, go through this video above. H and M. H and M is, H is for headings and M is for MCQs. So सबसे पहले we'll be attempting headings and at the end we'll be attempting multiple choice questions. However, the sequence is going to be the same. First passage को finish करो, then only proceed to the second one, followed by the third passage. So if in the first passage we have headings, we have true, false, not given as well as multiple choice questions. So I'll be attempting headings firstly, followed by true, false, not given or any random question, but the ending should be at multiple choice questions. And the reason is, whenever we are doing headings, we know everything related to the passage and that helps a lot in getting the other answers correctly. So guys, that's it. 45 minutes में reading करने के लिए never skim read a passage, just do it like this. So read 2 questions, find the keywords in the passage, read 2 to 3 lines and find the answer. But do headings at first and MCQs at the end. End में 15 minutes में, after doing reading in 45 minutes, in last 15 minutes only proof check your answers. Please do not get puzzled. Just proof check your answers, and that's the best strategy to solve the reading in 45 minutes, and that too you will be getting more than 8 easily in your reading. So if you like the content of my video, consider sharing it with those in need. And guys, please do not forget to hit the red button. Thank you so much for watching me today, and I'll be meeting you again with another amazing video of mine.